morning, children. Hope you all are safe at your home. Listen, children. In English, already we have completed in the textbook use sound words and U-word family, right? So now we are going to write few more worksheets in the workbook, children. So in the workbook, U-word family pages from 60 to 67. In the workbook, children, pages 60 to 67, we have got a worksheets of U-word family. So come on, let's go and do. See, children, take out your workbooks, page number 6060. Take out your English workbook, children, page number 6060. Here we have U-word family. Here we have U-word family. See, read and write. Here pictures were given, spellings were given. The same spellings you have to write 3 times, children. So what picture is this? It's a cub. What is the spelling of cub? C-U-B, cub. Children, try to write in the lines. And what picture is this? It's a bud. What is the spelling of bud? B-U-D, bud. What picture is this? It's a bug. What is the spelling of bug? B-U-G, bug. What picture is this? It's a gum. What is the spelling of gum? G-U-M, gum. What is it? It's a bun. What is the spelling of bun? B-U-N, bun. What is it? It's a cup. What is the spelling of cup? C-U-P, cup. What is it? It's a bus. What is the spelling of bus? B-U-S, bus. And what is it? It's a hut. What is the spelling of hut? H-U-T, hut. Children, like this you have to write 2 more times. I mean altogether 3 times you have to write down. Let's go with the next page. See, children, page number 6161 in the workbook. Here we have a worksheet. Look at the picture and write the rhyming words. You know very well all the rhyming words, right, children? So here we have C-U-T, cut. And what picture is this? It's a hut. What is the spelling of hut? H-U-T, hut. At, cut, hut. A rhyming. And same way, what picture is this? It's a sun. What is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. And here we have a spelling of F-U-N, fun. U-N, un, sun, fun, rhyming. And here we have got a spelling of mud. M-U-D, mud. And what picture is this, children? Bud. B-U-D, bud. Ud, mud, bud. And here we have got cup. And what is the spelling of cup? C-U-P, cup. And here we have P-U-P, pup. Up. And here we have got S-U-N, sun. And what is this, children? It's a bun. B-U-N, bun. Un, sun, bun. And here we have got a tub. What is the spelling of tub? T-U-B, tub. And what is it? C-U-B, cub. U-B, up, tub, cub. Did you understand, children? Let's go with the next one. See, children, page number 6262 in the workbook. Here we have a worksheet. Look at the picture and circle the correct word in each row. So, see the picture, children. What picture is this? It's a cub. What is the spelling of cub? C-U-B, cub. Where is the letter C? Yes, here it is. Circle it. And see the next one, children. What picture is this? It's a bun. So, what is the spelling of bun? B-U-N, bun. So, where is the letter B? Yes, it is here. B-U-N, bun. Circle it. And see the next picture, children. What is it? It's a bud. What is the spelling of bud? B-U-D, bud. Where is the letter B? Here it is. But U is there, but it is not D. So, here also B-U-N is there. No. Yeah, here we have got B-U-D, bud. Circle it. And what picture is this? It's a jug. What is the spelling of jug? J-U-G, jug. So where is the letter J, children? Here it is. J-U-G, jug. And see the picture, he's cutting, cut. So what is the spelling of cut? C-U-T, cut. Where is the letter C, children? Here it is, circle it. And see the next picture, children. What is it? It's a sun. So what is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. So search for the spelling, children. Here we have S-U-M, sum. No. So yeah, here we have got S-U-N, sun. Circle it. See the next picture, children. Who is she? She is a nun. So what is the spelling of nun? N-U-N, nun. Where is the letter N, children? Here we have got N-U-N, nun. And what picture is this, children? It's a tub. So what is the spelling of tub? T-U-B, tub. So where is the letter T, children? Here we have got T-U-B, tub. Circle it. So let's go with the next worksheet. Children, page number 6363 in your workbook. See, here we have a worksheet. Make words using the jumbled letters to name the pictures. Here the spellings were jumbled. So we have to correct the spelling according to the picture and we have to fill these blanks. What picture is this, children? It's a cup. What is the spelling of cup? C-U-P, cup. And what is it, children? It's a bud. See, the spelling was jumbled. So now write the correct spelling, children. B-U-D, bud. What picture is this? This is a sun. So what is the spelling of sun, children? S-U-N, sun. And what is it? It's a sum. What is the spelling of sum? S-U-M, sum. And what is it? It's a pup. What is the spelling of pup? P-U-P, pup. And what is it? It's a bug. What is the spelling of bug? B-U-G, bug. Let's go with the next one. See, children, in the workbook, page number 6464, circle the odd word in each row. It's very easy, right? So let's start. Cub, rub, tub, cot. Here we have UB words 3. So this is not UB. So it is odd one. C-O-T, cot. And here we have pug, mug, tag and rug. Here we have 3 UG words. But this is not UG. This is AG. T-A-G, tag. This is odd one. And see here. Gun, men, bun, sun. Here we have got 3 UN words. But here this is EN word. So it is odd one. M-E-N, men is odd one. And see the next one. Dip, cud, mud, bud. UD words we have 3 here. And this is not UD word. It is IP word. Odd one. And here we have hat, nut, hut, cut. Here we have 3 UT words. But this is not UT. AT. So this is odd one. And here we have mug, pin, jug, bug. Here we have 3 UG words. But this is not UG. It is IN. So odd one. Here we have got gum, bed, hum, sum. Here we have got 3 UM words. But this is different. ED word. So this is odd one. Did you understand, children? So let's go with the next one. See, children, here we have another worksheet in the workbook, page number 6565. Name the given pictures. Then find the words in the puzzle and circle them. So here we have got a pictures and here there is a puzzle. We have to find the spellings and we have to fill all these blanks. So what picture is this, children? It's a bug. So what is the spelling of bug? B-U-G, bug. So see, children, where is the letter B? Yeah, it is here. B-U-G, bug. Already we have got the first one. So write the spelling, children. B-U-G, bug. And what is the second picture? It's a jug. What is the spelling of jug, children? J-U-G, jug. Where is the letter J in the second line? It is here, but there is no UG. Yeah, we have got children. Here it is J-U-G, jug. So write the spelling in the blank, children. What picture is this? It's a tub. What is the spelling of tub? T-U-B, tub. Let's search in the third line, children. Yes, here we have got T-U-B, tub. So write the spelling tub, children. T-U-B, tub. And see the next one, children. Here we have got a bun. So what is the spelling of bun, children? B-U-N, bun. So let's search for the spelling bun. It is not there in this line. See the next line. Yes, here we have got B-U-N, bun. So write the spelling of bun, children. And see the next picture, children. What is it? It's a sun. So what is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. Search for the sun spelling, children. Yes, in the fourth line it is there. Circle it and write down, children. S-U-N, sun. And what picture is this? It's a hut. What is the spelling of hut? H-U-T, hut. See the next line, children. Yes, here we have got H-U-T, hut. So write the spelling, children. See the next picture. What is it, children? It's a cup. So what is the spelling of cup? C-U-P, cup. Search in the next line, children. Yeah, in the starting itself we have got it. So write the spelling of cup. And here we have got a picture of bus. So what is the spelling of bus, children? B-U-S, bus. So search in the last line, children. Here we have got B, but there is no U-S. Yeah, here it is in the last. Circle it and write the spelling, children. B-U-S, bus. Let's go with the next one. Children, in the workbook page number 6666. Here we have listen and write the words your teacher says. Since I won't be available, so I request the parents to give the dictation of 10 words by using U letter. Any 10 words, parents, you just ask the children to write down and please do the correction even. Let's go with the next page. So this is our last worksheet, children, page number 67 for today. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using the given words. Here we have got a words bug, tub, jug, cup, gun. So see the sentence, children. By seeing the picture we have to. The boy has a toy dash. The boy has a toy gun. So what is the spelling of gun? G-U-N, gun. The dash is on the cup. What is there on the cup? It's a bug. So what is the spelling of bug? B-U-G, bug. The jug is in the dash. The jug is in the tub. T-U-B, tub. The bun is on the dash. The bun is on the cup. So what is the spelling of cup? C-U-P, cup. The nut is in the dash. The nut is in the jug. So what is the spelling of jug? J-U-G, jug. So children, hope you understood this use sound words concept. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.